fresh string beans, guys. Oh, binili ko, guys. This is very, very delicious, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, guys. 6 bundles, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, guys. Very fresh, guys. From the garden, guys. Neighbors namin, guys. Nag-harvest siya ng sitaw. Sitaw. This is very yummy, guys. Gawin ko ito, guys, na adobo. Tapos yung iba, ilagay ko sa sinigang na pork. Wow, so yummy, guys. Very fresh, guys, oh. Gulay is life. And so yummy. Have a nice day, everyone.